We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax update. The USDA Cattle Inventory Report provides insight for a variety of supply trends, from cow herd and calf crop size to feeder and fed cattle inventories. Lately, there's been a focus on supplies in feedlots with less than 1,000 head capacity. Many of these feedlots are farmer feeders located in the Corn Belt and only purchase feeder cattle and calves in the fall for marketing as fed cattle in the spring. The number of cattle in these feedlots has steadily declined over the last few years. The year-over-year declines continued in the estimates from the latest report. Feedlots with less than 1,000 head capacity had nearly 5% fewer cattle on feed compared to last year at 1.6 million head. However, these numbers do not reflect all-time lows. Inventories in the early 2000s dropped closer to 1.5 million head. A variety of factors changed farmer feeder inventories in recent years. Increased market price volatility and credit needs to purchase cattle are two long-term trends reflected in the overall decline. These factors create less incentive for farmer feeders to finish cattle and increase the risk of feeding cattle compared to simply selling the corn at near record prices. Growing ethanol production in the Corn Belt over the last 5 years briefly changed this long-term trend. Ethanol plants provide Corn Belt feedlots with affordably priced corn ethanol byproducts, resulting in more competitive costs of gains and additional cattle on feed in this region. However, recently higher corn prices are narrowing the price spread between corn and ethanol byproducts. Also, higher cattle prices and generally tighter feeder cattle and calf supplies have discouraged farmer feeders. These short-term trends will likely increase the risk of feeding cattle in 2012 and 13 and keep more farmer feeders from finishing cattle. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Lance Zimmerman.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.